Okay, this is going to be a retake of the platform elevator at Lefortovo metro station in Moscow. Last time I took one ride, so let's take 3 rides this time. One.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
And strange, it's installed in 2019, and it has the old Orona voice.
Main floor. Doors closing. Lift going up. First floor.
Сюда.
No.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Yeah, really strange that it does not have a new Orona voice.
Main floor. Doors closing.
Orona.
Lift going up. First floor.
Plus the announcements are wrong. Last ride.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Main floor.
Focus.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Cab view. Nice elevator. Fixtures.
First floor.
Yes. Wash our clothes.
Doors closing.
There it goes, and that's it.